What's up, viewers? Today's video that's wicked awesome. So I'm here at the science center, and I am going to go over there with my cousins.
To those.
This is all the material you can use.
And some of that. You're welcome.
Flip this if I can.
I'll make you a deal. I'll give you a new piece for that one.
Need that and
I presume.
How do you wanna?
other side.
The other way?
How do you wanna put it? You can come on. You can put it.
And
You put it in. You put
I'm
your.
gonna put this one.
You can put it wherever you want to put it. However you want to put it. I mean, wherever you put it, like I think it matters. Like where you put it.
Oh yeah.
Go. Go. Oh.
Almost.
It went over. Let's
Wanna
try
try
that
again?
one more time. I think.
Okay.
Maybe fold it up.
Ready?
Oh, do you want to put it closer to try? Maybe just off the wrap.
Since it's going that way, I think maybe like that.
Okay.
I have another piece of But now I think if I did that and go over.
Oh, almost.
Oh.
Do you want to kind of change the angle a little bit?
You're welcome.
Oh, Heather's actually in there. That will work.
Alright, let's see what happens.
Oh.
No.
How is it?
Ooh. Oh, go. Go. Ah. Multiple tries to make sure it works.
Yeah. I need another piece of tape.
Are you ready?
Ready?
I need another piece of tape.
You need another piece of tape? Go. This will make it work. Go. Yeah.
These tables, and we can try to field any questions you guys might have about what it's like to work here, what the different airplanes are. So we've got a wide range of perspectives.
Is this like a later model?
Yeah, this is one of our newest F-18 models. So this is a Super Hornet. So there are 7 different models of F-18s. The E and F are
So you can like totally touch it, it's totally safe. So you can just touch it. If you like it, you can also touch this one. If you like it. So this one is
It's
kind of
fiber
optical
optics.
fibers. You mean this one?
Yeah.
So this one is optical fibers. So if you mean changing the color.
Yeah.
So they just like sending different color of light from the bottom. So you see here, they're changing different lights.
Well, that's cool how.
And did you see like in between there's no light? You see like this fiber, they only go to the end. So what they do is they use some special design, special angle. So you'll see like the light when it goes through, you will only move inside the fiber. It won't go outside. So it directly go to the end. So then you can like let it transfer for a long distance.
This is actually kind of warm a little bit.
Oh yeah, exactly. Because the particle and then having some path. And they'll just follow you. So if you touch it, you can also see this red spot here. If you touch it.
Is this like electric?
Yeah, exactly. It's electric. So inside is a very fast changing electric field in that ball. Touch it. And touch it.
And then look at the screen.
See?
So you can just
I can see what you're drawing there.
It's the heat in the cold water.
Yes.
So my lab at Washington.
If you put your hand on it, you can see. I see you draw a circle.
Hold on.
If you put your hand on the table, see? You left your fingerprint. But you cannot see it by your eye.
Whoa, that's
If you put your this, you see my hand.
Do you hear it?
kind of.
Kind of, yeah. It's a little quiet. The speakers are a little weak on the computer, but it has to clip onto your skin. Yeah, I'm not. You probably don't want to clip it onto your skin. It might hurt, but as long as you're just touching the metal, you can play. The notes can go through you into these objects and play notes. Hi.
Same for blades. Ground is lava, so don't touch it. There we go, my man. You're doing so good.
We are finding out if there, like, how we can build a hammock for a gorilla. So there could be lots of different strategies. So if you're already doing it, feel free to change whatever you want. We need a nice, sturdy bed for this little dude right here.
I'm trying to think back to the St. Louis Zoo.
Okay, that's good because I'm from the St. Louis Zoo, so then I can take this and go back to the keepers and be like, hey, maybe I found a new design, or you really paid attention to the animal habitats.
Right.
Think about it, it's based on like it's a really interesting field. I am not obsessed at all with it. But there's a website called asknature.Christian. She's talking like we just want to know how does something do something.
Okay, so I finished viewers.
Spend way too much time with it, but it's a fun thing.
Ta-da!
I know that it is.
I finished me hammock.
Yeah, that looks like a
My
pretty
hammock.
cozy hammock.
For my little beautiful gorilla.
And you can get in that one when we're done here. Because there's only one of me and there's two of those.
With this,
So you're going to want to sit farther forward than you would normally. You want to be more like laying down.
now like this.
Yep.
Is this using laces?
Yes. It does, well, something like that does. But that's a tricycle. I can English. That's a tricycle, which means it has 3 wheels instead of just the 2 that way. Like this one.
It's not gonna break.
It won't. Can I lift this up to see how
Yeah, just don't drop it, alright?
Well, you can kind of see air bubbles in there.
So that's actually from this. Here. Grab it, stand up for me. Lift it up as high as you can, drop it. Yeah. You'd think glass would break, don't you?
Big phone screen.
I want to try another time.
Alright, one more time.
Can I jump into it? Like, kind of like,
Yeah, just don't throw it, alright? Alright, I'm gonna let them try. You wanna try?
I'm about to get in this, jump bug. This has some strong suspension. And it has been through a lot of races. I think the headlights were, can I use the helmet?
Okay, let my friend change the battery and be a second.
This is cool, viewers. Can take it.
Okay, so you're gonna go up and down, forward and to the sides. Now, if you wanna take off, you're gonna have to press this button. Wait until this light starts blinking, then you go. 3 seconds. You just got into the jump. There you go.
So this person.
Yeah. So you will be hovering. Now you can move. There you go. You got it. You can try and land on the bucket if you want, or you can bring it here. Ooh. You're gonna go up?
Hey, that's actually pretty fun.
I can hold your critter.
Doesn't matter. You got a 4.
I need it too. Face it that way. Christian, you help Gavin. I need it too. I need it too. That's a 2.
I got it. I got it.
Gavin, you're building it wrong. The blues have to touch. What? The blues have to touch. Christian, can you hold it? We'll put the 5 in a minute.
Oh, they're building an arch. Oh, yeah.
He has the 6, Gavin. I need 5. Right there. Here, see.
No, not yet. Not yet.
Is that 4? That's not. I got 5. What's in your hand?
6.
Is that 4?
Hold on. Actually, put it on. Put it on. Put 6 on.
Hold it. Wait, we gotta put 6 on in a minute.
Nope, that's wrong.
Anna, take a picture.
So I just went in, and well, it was a great trip. And can you hold this? Thank you. I am on there. But I did buy 2 things. I bought me a necklace with a tooth, and I got a